Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. Ted Keys, your host and top freight agent training expert here in Southern California. If you have any questions today about anything that I went over today on my call, or more specifically, are you ready to join my top producing freight sales team? And are you ready for my top producing freight sales training? Yes, then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Let's move on to that next point, that next great point that I have to make today, and that is, remember when you're calling your prospects and customers that your attitude drives your actions. Your attitude drives your actions. If you have the attitude of, hey, I'm just not there yet, all right, I'm going to keep going, I'm going to continue pursuing, persevering, I am determined to make this happen, that is a great attitude. If your attitude is, oh, poor me, this happened to me, I quit, Ted stinks as a trainer, he sucks, that is a poor attitude, okay? And what do you think you're going to get out of it? You're going to get nothing. You're going to have no actions taking place, all right? It's your attitude that's going to determine your actions. When you make your goal sheet, all right, and you continue to push toward those goals, how's your attitude? Is your attitude saying, hey, I've called this guy 3 times and I'm not getting any freight? Well, if that's your attitude, what do you think your actions are going to be? But if your attitude is, I'm going to continue pursuing this prospect because I know he's got great freight to move, but I'm just not there yet, your actions, your end result will be indicative of your attitude, which is determining your actions right now, and that is you're moving freight and you're earning commissions on your loads. So one more time, guys, remember when you're calling your prospects and customers that your attitude drives your actions. Your attitude drives your actions. Not only that, but it drives your end results. It drives your end results. And if you have any questions today about anything that I went over today on my call, or more specifically, are you ready to join my top producing freight sales team? And are you ready for my top producing freight sales training? Yes, then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Again, great topic today. Thank you so much for joining me today on my Tuesday conference call. I will see you all again next Tuesday, same time, 2 p.m. Pacific time, 5 p.m. Eastern time on my Tuesday conference call. Pleasure talking to you today. Take care. God bless you all. I'll see you all again next week on my Tuesday conference call.